Ghana entertainment will continue to be behind. As if you say nobody gets sense for that Ghana to tell and say what you like to do no make sense.
For some days now, I know say you've been missing me. You guys are not hearing from me. Yes, first of all, let me apologize for keeping you guys waiting. I mean, I've been busy working on a couple of projects being as usual. Anuma ntua ujina ho. Rollins na say what I say anuma ntua ujina ho. So for sure I have to tap check one or two things, make sure say all the things will equally balance. Yeah. At the end of the day, the needed results, outcome na at the end of the day. Intent time so and space in so for there is this story trending in our entertainment space, and I think it is very important for us to also sit, discuss, and talk about it. Most of the times, yeah, to say Nigeria for a soon. Why? Because some of their projects Libya ma working on. I'm talking of movies. Ma shooting, ma spending sika, home. Now they expect say at the end of the day, mode to mu YouTuber, monsu benyan faso free so. Now the umbe say some of Ghanaian or local TV stations, are airing the videos now and the movies now. It tends to be very disturbing. And I'm so Emma, one Nigerian actor, comedian, content creator, or the Oga Rex, Ababontin, Abe Bonadrin, actually Ghana for. Yes, in some now kind of the, I mean, do looking at the choices of words now, or you see any in the direction or call now, it sounds too harsh and quite disrespectful. Now, ni say projector where you invest all this cash in. Say at the end of the day, or the tuning YouTuber, one way or the other, people will go there to go stream. Yeah, whatever result now, no so expect, he will surely achieve. No, oh, some of Ghanaian local TV stations, Oma Piki, na just after 24 hours, or the video, no, and a movie, no, on the channel, no, oh, TV stations like Truth TV and others are airing the movie. Now, I'm so. Ama wabona dwen actually Ghana for in particular TV stations and some of Ghanaian actors and actresses nibia monsumahu you guys have decided not to talk about it. Now this same can say Charlie, the reason why the industry isn't growing is as a result of some of these things, because Akoyako we say some things nibia we should pay attention and do the needful due diligence on some of the happenings nibino. We tend to ignore and act as if say we don't care, and it doesn't even bother us at all. Now according to him, so if Ghanaians are not talking there for him, obekasa abusuan for wabona adwen na answer na yebekwa kotie nsem ni bia wokekan no nsem ni bia okan no kai say we your parties weddings engagement. Now, person party na party there near my lazy foot and your plug is Legon. I drink and more hop and some more stand from Musisia. Now with the Mundi Juma. At the end of the day, the wo ye ewo party na sibia no ombeboa ama party na ye soronko na bibia adadin. What ya say why yare ache we he bia we nya wayare sa anu adro dia ndema edu heba hospital eye wayare sa fie SMB test mudi BTS fufu bia ba agidin atene. Why Juma bro here SMB test de alcohol be anim. Yes, SMB test alcohol be anim. Inti bibia ba ko 13 na ama fans bia pesa oje e highway ni so waje what ya say ko edu heba hospital na alcohol be nya SMB test. I mean pharmacy bia wo krom ha bia no ubowura ha ubenya SMB test. I mean SMB test de ebu na pete e highway ni so opese wo add value to yourself. I mean, upese usuyan forklift and your step 79 safety forklift. The good news about 3 weeks pepe na bibia ata din. Omebwa mo nya experience na wohwehwe no. Na eba documentation licensing so am woni problem bia. Ko suyan ade ya ye konso an so highway so ubetumi akobi. Abusuan for Rex Oga Rex abona adwen na just after the insult no wasan so all the apology aba. Charlie, it be like what he said no. Nkofo ya twisting nsem na se sebe de okan no wan kan ye ya Ghana for ehu ni mobo na momfanche no because ede abufuo ana ode abufuo ene kasaye nti in as much as said he was angry, pissed off, no, sometimes so bufu now kasa if care is not taken, certain things that you don't meant or you don't intend saying, you end up saying some of these things. I was for yenko tie ni insult no ye na just after that na yasanso tie ni apology no a odema Ghana for so concerning Truth TV and other local TV stations ni many be amoye e wo krom ha.
Ghana TV station. Ghana TV station. The TV station when they say receipts. No, not be receipts. The TV station when they show our film for free. Now Ogun, then go buy all of now. I said it before and I'm saying it again. Ghana entertainment will continue to be behind. As if you say nobody gets sense for that Ghana to tell and say what you like do no make sense. Now not get any entertainment body, nothing. I'm using this opportunity to call out on every entertainment body in Ghana. All those TV stations, you people are stupid and foolish. Yes. No disrespect to my fans. Shout out to all my fans. You guys know I love you guys, but it's not too much. Enough is enough. I just released in Prince of Peace. Next thing I'm on the air. Talking Thomas, the same thing. Where did it happen? They don't spend money until they shoot the film. If they watch it on your TV station, how will they come and watch? How will they stream on our own channel? So what did they happen? And I'm also calling out on all the actors. But you also be my friend, one of my fellow Ghana actors. When I don't say without Nigerians, I know first of all, I don't even get when I day. So when I go not say this guy to the happen, I know they condemn him. I don't know what they do. If this is the happen for Lagos by now, someone like me, I know. First 11, I for not speak out. I for not condemn him. Why you carry person film go where they am? Many of my colleagues don't talk about this matter before. When I don't do anything. That's why I don't get where they go. You people don't have sense. You people are stupid. You are foolish. All the Ghana TV station, and they talk to them, they met. Everything they be film. When I know they walk out for road one day, person go point, she say, now this one ain't get Unity TV. Now this one ain't get Kwaba, waiting, they call them. Baba, they go see, they go drag una for ground, when I behave una self, when I behave una self, they tell you, I don't need to drama myself, people jail. My fans, they para, they go drag una. I know what I'm saying, when I stop this thing, when I was there, taking laws into your hand, we go take point our teeth, we go bite person, Ghana, behave yourself, I know what I'm saying.
Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy Nasarex, aka Mr. Calm, #1 champion. Okay, quick one. I'm doing this video to address the first video that I did. My attention has been drawn to the video. I see that so many people are misinterpreting and misunderstanding the video. The insult in that video was, directed to the TV stations. I mean, why would I insult the entire Ghana? It doesn't even make sense. I'm looking forward to come and see people. You know, understand me? I mean, what I'm fighting for right now will not make sense right now until later. Imagine that a particular people are taking your creativity for free. It means that they don't value creativity, they don't value talent, and even you guys in Ghana, this might even affect you guys later if you don't speak out right now. I know what I'm saying. Right now it seems like I'm the bad person, maybe because of the way I said it. I just want to say shout out to my fans. I mean no disrespect. It's not in my nature to disrespect anybody. For those of you that really know me, even the ones that pretend that they don't know me, well, it's okay. I just want to say I love all of you. I will not disrespect everybody. It doesn't even make sense. I'm talking to the TV stations. I'm angry with them. They did it before. My last movie, they did it again, and they've been doing it. Even when they complain, you keep saying, sue them, sue them. Who wants to sue? Who we know wants to? It's hard. If you in Ghana don't speak out for us, how is it going to happen? You understand? But as they do us, they will still do you guys, the creative one in Ghana. So please speak out, fight for this, let them stop it. Please, I love everybody in Ghana. The way you help me share that first video, help me share this so that they will know. It's not in my nature to disrespect people. I'm sorry, I love you guys so much. No disrespect intended. My film is still showing. You guys can watch, you can support. Prince of Peace. One love. Cheers.
Abusuanfo, after watching Rex, what do you also have to say? Share your views, share your thoughts, and don't forget to share this video. Yeah, others will also benefit from it. In as much as I don't support the insult, I think some of these things are becoming unbecoming. Charlie, Ghana televisions need be local TV stations, Charlie, if you guys want content and you want to promote African movie, I think your very own people, Ghanaian movies are there. Why don't you pay something small or compensate them in a way so as you can also use their material in order to also build your audience and your credibility when it comes to some of the things now where NCA, I am sure that some of these complaints is almost matter. What are you guys acting or doing about some of these things? Because it is becoming unbecoming. Oh, hono be abre, wakofa, crew, watuya castica, production, the money that goes in there to get our finished work, and yes, sikaketwa. After doing all these rounds, Nina, you are thinking, say, at the end of the day, with the 2 YouTube channel, you gain something small. So as at the end of the day, you bet me the size can be a balancing equation. Now, yano for so aquafa modi atomo channel. Na muyi. The annoying aspect of it is that moving it back and less than 24 hours or 48 hours. So muyi. What's up? What's up? What's up? Make you guys DG. Yo, mama maninda home. Abusuan for say me free that aspect in there and the main found rim. Okay, yenuamwa mukonya helicopter akonshia ya. I'm talking about the 8 heroes now. As a result of going to talk about Galamsey and also fight against illegal mining, aka Galamsey no moshere monkwa. It was somewhere in Ashanti region, ho baby. Na ehun akwaniamba de chale President Aban atutu hu anamo na assistant now on the 15th of this month, 15th of August, a year Friday, a China Friday, government and Aban is ready to hold a state barrier for these people, no. The 8 people now they got involved in that helicopter crash, no. So I'm Ghana. Baby Fabia, everybody is mourning. Now, since I'm not say anamobia buying all the otunu watu the DNA sample na mo de call South Africa no mo de aba na de SSL and then here say aban so be yen so aban so I ready say we take all responsibilities bia and here most especially in Kolano they are involved no mo papa mo asure mo kwa. Why? Because they are going to perform a national duty or something important in the name of Ghana. And I'm so Sisia Meno Kasai Makoye Nyamediano. Aban is ready to take all the responsibilities it's involved. No? Most especially in Kolano, Amoshe, Makwani Aba, Teo Se, Debi Musumba Baye di Patitri, Ewo Krumu Hanono. Government is willing to take all these responsibilities na state barrier no ebe so on the 15th of August Black Star Square, the Independent Square into eho ena aban or Ghana fo nyina yebeshia to mourn and finally say goodbye to our heroes for attempt to save Ghana from Galamsey. Na in the course of that no moshere monkwa ya abusuan for say won't ya anamo and moving forward update aba concerning the 8 heroes now they departed in the course of going to fight against Galamsey. Abusuan for ya now over and 10 times so a lot of people are using this medium a means or politics to say a whole lot of stuff. Abusuan me assure say wunuam say o papa e wo fa anka de eto mo no ana de esi ye no common sense should tell you say no bia ye keka asem no kono no emfata na enwu ehia nti abusanfo de ekoso ewo ententan no so ibi na me de abro na kai say on all social media platforms so ope update bia so akobi Josvan on all social media platforms okoha benya update ni nyina YouTube Kobe Josvan Studios koho na kopeke update ni bi na me sure say happiness ni na nyambo achina yebeti asim na ye the coverages ni na abro and coverage ni na abro ya at the end of the day won so be hu the ekos na Facebook niema bi Facebook niema bi minim say bia you've also carefully paid attention to what I'm about to talk about. Minim say na sign when on Facebook now show video, we show content, ubehua na ya the arts be abe frame. Enya wona wo demand yo. Ne mom seka se eye art nko ampo a ana eye advertisement na ye nyina ye nim ko a anka nye problem. Ne wa hu bibi wo be hu ani ade eto anufuo. I mean nude videos be ade ato videos ne so na sad is becoming unbecoming hard dream pa na boys ne say Facebook for any study papa. I've experienced that thing and I'm sure says so we are fan or active on Facebook I am sure so what I'm talking about now you have an idea now yo metis kamu and ameko and I'm sure my man share some of the trending updates ni be air course so e won 10 time so abusua me hear video na meti ya na sound bi nam ha ho ha na ma me bi otem nchen wadane no ho ahwemanim me ya sure say ma me no na adwene nyina mu na adwene say me hwe blue me hwe porn ewo me phone so publicly but the intention wasn't to go there to watch what I wanted to even watch into Facebook yes remo brotherhood ni said the air course on a hard na say credibility sisi ama yes ama asofofo mpompo motika mu and am wo public mpom ntumi ko Facebook because sofo anye ne homework ye ya sound bi beba ye beka say sofo ehwe niema wo de ohwe so in as much as yes commercially it makes sense you are also trying to also cash out I think say yembisa ya enwo hia o Facebook Mark Zuckerberg dia de na ekoso adene de anka first ne ye request you see e pese ye hwe bibi ye te ye hot so sisi ade asem pese mo de tata ye na mo de tata ye so a bejo mponi anama na mo pese mo de sound ne ka ho well abusia me assure say de make ho asay wa ho bi you've been witnessing and also experiencing what I'm talking about. So wa hu bia how did you handle it? Abra what take mu na pesa wo hwe bibi na sound bi baaye ye de bibi a kire heavy nyasho it no be small nyash so heavy ones the boobs and the nyash na ye be yi a kire no hey so when nyame ni part say me a one shall you be tempted to do the undo abso share your experience in the comment section under this video na yeni komom na sa wonso ebi ato da yehu de ekoso and how you handle it abra ebi na otika mu and our public abso for me din e de Kobe Josvan na my blogger social influencer na pandit na say we share my highway ni so a obetima from the nations blogger or the ugly village boy am I ready for say ube follow ye on all social media platforms. Follow ye on all social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Thread. Follow ye ewo ho edino ene Kobe Josvan. YouTube inso edino ene Kobe Josvan Studios. Search edino, subscribe to us, click on the bell open. Na brena nyina ye the video bi atumu so a wonso we enjoy from our content. Share this video ma afoforo so enjoy na di ye ho adanse che afoforo so. Aside the reviews na hu ni nyina no, we do event coverages, events publications, blog publications, advertisement, promo, interviews, drone shots, catering services, graphics works. I mean all these services ni nyina o heti apa ye be sorto kama na ya making sure at the end of the day I'm sikabia what you know value e dey so achieve from the money paid you know so you will surely achieve value for money. Episode 4 so we share me highway ni so framing the nation's blogger or the ugly village boy my crowd.